Hi guys and welcome back. For today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little different, something that I've never personally done, but this recipe was calling my name. Sounds so good right now with just the weather we're having here where I live. So I wanted to do an Italian sausage, cabbage, apple type of hot dog. It sounds good. We can't use the grill because we are out of charcoal. We used the last of the charcoal last night when we grilled some steak, so that's a bummer. But I'm going to do it on the stove, probably like a lot of you would be doing, so maybe it actually works out. So what I'm gonna be using for this recipe are hot dog buns, apple cider vinegar, a red onion, actually it'll be a half of a red onion, 2 apples, cabbage, and mild Italian sausage. So let's get to chopping. Do you guys notice something? I got a new microphone because my sound in my last video was no bueno. You know what I mean? No bueno. To be honest, I actually forgot to turn my microphone on, not this one, my other one. So that's really what happened. The first thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is slice my red onion. We only need half of a red onion. So I'm gonna go ahead and slice that down the middle and go ahead and I'm actually going to do these in slices. Looks good to me. Now what I'm gonna do with my apples, these are actually Honeycrisp apples. I'm gonna get this sticker off because I don't think I wanna eat the sticker, not today. Maybe tomorrow, but not today. Actually, what we're gonna do is cut these in half, and this is actually how we are going to cook them. Just like that, easy peasy. Next for a cabbage, actually we don't need the whole cabbage either. We only need half of this cabbage, and this cabbage is so big. It's about as big as my freaking head. I'm gonna go ahead and move these over. So let's go ahead and slice this big boy. Now we're gonna want these in big slices. All right, now that we have all of our stuff chopped up, let's head over to the stove. Okay, so I have my skillet on. It's been heating up. It's on about medium heat. I'm just gonna drizzle some olive oil in there. This is actually extra virgin olive oil. And now we're gonna go ahead and add the Italian sausage. Do it carefully. Boom. I'm actually gonna raise the heat a little bit up to about a little higher there on medium. And I'm gonna cook these for between 5 to 7 minutes, turning them and getting them nice and golden brown. All right, now that I got them nice and golden brown, I'm gonna go ahead and transfer them to a plate and put it aside. Now I'm gonna turn my stove down and go ahead and add all of my other ingredients. First, I'm gonna take my apples and put them in the skillet face down, or cut side down. Then I'm gonna scatter my slices of onion around the apples. Then I'm gonna do the same thing with my cabbage. I'm just going to lightly toss this just to kind of get some of that oil on the cabbage. Like I mentioned in my last video, I don't use salt because of my health conditions. So what I'm going to use is Mrs. Dash garlic and herb seasoning. And of course, I'm gonna go ahead and use some pepper. My apples should be golden brown. Let's go ahead and check on them. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Let's go ahead and turn those over. Now what I want to do is go ahead and add the Italian sausages back in the skillet. We're gonna let this cook down about 18 to 20 minutes. I am gonna come back occasionally and turn these to make sure they're getting cooked all the way through. Now that the sausage is added, I'm going to go ahead and add 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Okay, I have moved this around a couple of times, and here we go. Beautiful. The one thing about this recipe is you can eat it just like this and cut your apple with it, but what I wanted to do is actually put it on a hot dog bun. And with me not thinking prior to this, I should have probably cut the apples before putting them in here, since I wanted to eat them on the hot dog bun. But if you don't want to eat it on the hot dog bun, you are more than welcome to just eat it like this. Okay, so now I have my hot dog buns here on the plate, and now we're going to put all of this in my hot dog buns. All right, here we go. Let's go ahead and take one of the Italian sausages and just lay it right into the hot dog buns. All right, now I'm gonna take some of the cabbage and red onions and place it right on top. I'm gonna put a little more red onion on a couple of them. They need a little more red onion. Just like that. And then, because I did do the apple slices, which was super easy to cut, they just basically fell apart. I'm just gonna lay some of them on there. And there we go. We have cabbage, red onion, and apple in our hot dog bun with Italian sausage. This looks good, and I'm going to eat the absolute out of it. I made a mess. Either one, but it's gonna be messy. It's gonna be messy, so be prepared, right? Try it at the same time.
Stuff it in there.
Yeah, probably smarter than me.
All right.
Ready?
Yeah. I feel like it needs like
Mustard?
mustard.
Coarse ground mustard. Is that what did it? I think it needs more apple cider vinegar. That's just my opinion. But the mustard really adds more of that flavor as well too.
It was good both ways.
Yeah,
I mean,
it was good both ways.
I just like mine with mustard first.
Yeah.
I don't think, no matter what, but.
Yeah. Well, that is it for this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Thanks for watching. It is really good though. Sloppy.